Hi, welcome back to another one of my crafty tutorials. I am Megan from meganplus5.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this embroidery hoop winter wall hanging. In the description below I will leave a materials list for what you need to complete this craft. You want to first start off by staining your wood base and your embroidery hoop. And then next you just want to distress your wood base. I'm using my Ryobi sander for this, but you can just use a piece of sandpaper. And then you want to paint your sticks white. And then using a pouncing motion, you want to paint the edges of your pine cone white. And then decide how long you want your bells to hang down from your embroidery hoop, and then add a couple of inches to that. And then just feed one end of the twine into the bell and then tie a couple of knots to secure it. And then you'll do this step with all 3 bells. And then secure your sticks together with a piece of floral wire. And then add your decorative pieces on top of the sticks. I do it this way so that they don't get all mixed up together with the sticks, and that way they can really stand out. And then just secure it with a little bit of hot glue. Wrap some twine around the center of it, and then secure the twine down with a little bit more hot glue. use your hot glue gun to glue the embroidery hoop to the base, and I usually just glue it in 4 spots, one on the top and then one on the bottom and then one on each side. And then before you press it down, make sure you have it exactly where you want it to go, and then just press down firmly. And then make sure your bells are at staggering lengths, and then just tie them to the metal top part of the embroidery hoop. And I just did 1 knot, and then I pulled it really, really, really tight, and then they will just hang from there. And then use your hot glue gun to glue down all of those little accent pieces. And you'll want to trim away the excess twine on the top. And then what I did was to secure it even more, was just add a little bit of hot glue and pulled it a little bit tighter just to make it even more secure. If you like this craft tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. And then if you don't want to miss any of my future stuff, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.